and welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 30th to the 3rd of June 2022 on Monday. Zota tries to set Sibongile straight. Mike Jr. plans to attack the Molefes. Kuku and Togozo try to come to terms with their abduction on Tuesday. Mom Sondo struggled to get through to her daughter. Tati and the girls fix the streets on Wednesday. Sibongile tells Zodwa the truth about Mr. Libalo. Sonto visits Tati, but Tati shut her out. Siso's car is stolen with a surprise in the boot on Thursday. Stompy and Sidumo are cursed with bigger problems in their hijacked car. Tati goes to the end of the world to find a lead on Buhle on Friday. Tati makes a move on Mike Jr. Sibongile beat herself up about Mr. Libalo. The vultures are cycling for Sonto and Tati. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.